Assalamu alaikum. fsQCA is a novel research methodology based on set theory, set and subset relationship. Unlike the regression-based conventional methods, it provides a asymmetric configuration analysis. This application of fsQCA increasing day by day across diverse disciplines, including finance, corporate governance, education, and sustainability. We know the entire structure of the universe is based on set and subset relationship encompassing the macrocosm and microcosm interconnection. Similarly, almost all social sciences theories are formulated in terms of sets and subset relationship. For example, small farmer are risk averse, religious fundamentalists are political conservative, developed countries are democratic. All these three statements configure in set and subset relationship. When we state that small farmers are risk averse, this claim is set theoretic as small farmers constitute a rough subset of risk averse individuals. We can present these relations in a diagram as below. We can see that small family business is a big set, while risk averse investor is a small set. The second statement is religious fundamentals are political conservative. The set of religious fundamentalists constitute a rough subset of conservative individuals. In this example, the connection is again set and subset relationship. We can present these relations in a diagram as below. Religious fundamentalist is a big set, while conservative individual is a small set. In another example, if the theory states that the developed countries are democratic, it means that a set of democratic countries is the subset of the developed countries. Again, the relationship is configured in set and subset relationship. We can present these relations in a diagram as below. Developed countries are democratic and developed countries is a big set and democratic countries is a small set. The third case is also similar when we say developed countries are democratic. We are not going to test the symmetric version relationship which has correlation connection. That is, the developed countries are democratic and the less developed countries are not democratic. If so, we can use conventional regression-based research methods. But we are going to test the originally stated proposition which is asymmetric having set theoretic relationship. Thus, it must be tested with the technique made for symmetric analysis. Conclusion: all above three statements have a set theoretic relationship in their nature and so no correlation connection. Therefore, we should test such claims in a true nature of relationship, that is set and subset association, for which fsQCA is specially designed, and not with the regression-based conventional research method. Thank you so much.